Welcome back, everybody. It's another day. We're in the garage, but as you can see, there's no S10 in here. Well, that's because we went racing last weekend, and instead of unloading the truck out of the race trailer, we just left it in the race trailer. But today, I got my 60mm TurboSmart Wastegate. I'm gonna head over to Fabrication Performance, and Andre is going to whip out putting the new wastegate on, and he's gonna make the wastegate dump tube and everything like that. So I'm not gonna film much of that because it's Saturday, it's overtime. We're just gonna get the stuff done as fast as we can and make it look good. But I'm gonna round my tools up, I'm gonna go grab the trailer, and then maybe I might just put a couple clips in here of it, like going back onto the truck and everything like that. But then after that, it's gonna go over to Jacob's place, and Jacob's gonna Cerakote it all for me. So we're gonna get the truck looking good, get the wastegate on it, and make sure we have boost control again, and learn how this truck wants to take off with its newfound power. So we're getting there. We don't got really many races going on until about August, but hopefully we can get out to maybe a track rental or something like that and have some time to actually do some testing with the truck and look over things. So other than that, I'm gonna go get the truck and trailer, and we're gonna head over there and get to working on this thing. Locked and loaded, ready to head out. Well, I just got done picking up the S10 from Andre over there, and like always, the guy legitimately blows my expectations out of the water. Like, I don't know what it is that he does. He just does it really, really well. And I guess he kind of knows how I think, I guess, and he just, it's astounding on how well it looks from just little tiny things that he does. He's got a beautiful piece on it, and it's gonna suck because I'm gonna coat it with Cerakote, but I will show you guys what it looks like when I get back to the house. I gotta go put some fuel in the truck, and we'll go back to the house and unload the truck from the trailer. And then I got to wash the truck and trailer because it rained last night, and my wheels, even at like 5 miles an hour, made it look like I went mud bogging in the truck. So we got to do some cleaning on the truck, but S10's done besides getting all that stuff, that new stuff coated, and we're about ready to go and do some rips. I think we're gonna do a track rental one of these days and get some more seat time and see if we can get this thing back to going faster than what it ever has gone before. So we just need seat time, some testing, and this thing will go fast. Stay tuned, guys. I'll show you all the cool stuff that Andre did to it and how it looks, and you guys are gonna be amazed. I got the truck back. We unloaded it from the trailer. Truck and trailer were dirty, so we went into the truck wash. We got the truck all washed up and trailer. We put the trailer back in the shop. But here is the new gate on the truck. This is a TurboSmart 60mm. I gotta still clock the top to get my eyelets to work and everything like that. But that's what it looks like.
We got the new wastegate dump tube. It just comes out like this. This is a mighty fine looking piece, but I'm gonna go have it Cerakoted so it looks like the rest of the hot side and just make everything look black like I want it to, I guess. I mean, the whole engine bay is kind of an orange and blackish look, so that's how we're gonna go. But for size comparison, this is the 60 mil. Right here, I got the 44. I mean, just look at the differences on the bottoms and everything. The new 60 mil just out trumps this thing. So we weren't getting the boost control we really wanted to with that 44. So that's the only reason I'm switching to the 60 mil. It wasn't that it wasn't working. It just I wasn't able to control it at the line and down the track. We did start getting into some boost creep issues, so that hopefully cures everything. Back in the garage today, Sunday evening, and I gotta get all this stuff pulled off so Jacob could get it all coated this week. I think he's gonna get it all done by Friday so I can have it all put back together, because we're doing London's birthday parties this weekend, and I need the truck out of the garage so we can do the birthday party. So I'm gonna quick tear this down. I'll do a little time lapse, little video so you guys can see it. But he's gonna do my up pipe because I just spray painted it and it didn't last. And then he's gonna redo the hot kit here and get it all coated black for me, and then get it back to me. So put us in a time lapse. I gotta take the whole turbo kit off, the intake, everything off. So it's pretty easy to do. It'll be quick and simple, but I'll get to it.
You should know you can go where you wanna go. I can take you there. Wildest dreams, put some faith in me. Take my hand to your fantasy. Going through these battles, fucking with these models. All the way in Cali, foot up on the dollar line, focused on the vision. Tryna pay tuition for the ones I'm missing. Family is a mission, oh yeah. Put you on the things you thought were impossible. On and on, me and you unstoppable. You should know you can go where you wanna go. I can take you there. Wildest dreams, put some faith in me.
I got everything taken off that needs to go to Jacob. The truck is pretty naked again, but these are the pieces that are going to Jacob. Jacob's gonna recoat all this stuff. I think he's got to sandblast them and everything like that, but those are what is going on for the 60 mil. And this is actually the old one. This is for the 44. And then this is for the 60 mil. I thank you guys for watching. You guys got to stay tuned because there's more to come. A lot more racing. I know there's some car shows coming. And we're just ready for a good time. Got the RC drag cars out for a little bit yesterday. I didn't film any of that, but there's a lot to come, so you guys need to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because this summer's just getting started. I thank you guys for watching. Remember, subscribe, like, and we'll catch you next time.